Hello guys, welcome to this video from virakits.com. My name is Amataya Olubusayo, and in this video today I quickly want to show you how you can extract emails and phone numbers using the Google interface. So with this particular software I want to show you very shortly now. This software will allows you to extract targeted validated emails and phone numbers out from Google. It's a business lead extractor which give you access to get business leads out of Google. For example, if your business, if you deal with schools, if you deal with companies, if you deal with real estate and so many other businesses that you deal with, you can actually make use of software to extract email addresses and to extract valid phone numbers with this software in just simple step. One is you putting your keyword and you selecting the country you want to extract from and let the magic begin. So let me show you the interface of the software, and you can see this interface of the software, and you can see this is the dashboard, this is the business extractor, and this is the contact which you're going to get the results you've extracted so far. So let's get started with this video. The first thing is we'll go on our business extractor. Then we have two things to do here. One is bulk upload, meaning that you can actually upload different keywords using this software. In case if you have related keywords, you can actually put them together and start your extraction without wasting your time. And you can do one by one process, you by putting different keywords. Once it's done, you put another keyword, and from those search bars you can actually get some of your results or your previous search which you've used on the software, and the software can give you insights on some, or you can see fitness trainer in Nigeria, business in Nigeria. You can see some of this you can actually use as your keyword. You can see the phone number in India. So alright guys, so let's get started. Let me just click on add. Let's add our first keywords. Let's say our target is school, and I put school in let's say California. Just type in California. Alright guys, so if this is your first time of watching our video, can you do well by clicking on the subscribe button now to stay updated on our different marketing softwares and server we're going to be posting. Alright, this is the first thing. Now you can actually click on add to save this in the software database, or you should click on add and search, so without wasting our time. So let me just click on add and search, and the moment you do that, the software will start counting. Now then the result will keeps on coming, and you can see, don't forget keywords is cool, so meaning that we can get the brand school, the teacher's name, some other information in the California, and that's why it's very much better for you to narrow down your search by selecting the particular city or town you want to target. So instead of targeting the whole USA at large, you can just actually break it down to, okay, based on a particular area. And if you're in Nigeria, for example, instead of you targeting the whole Nigeria, you can just narrow down your audience to, okay, Lagos, Ibadan, narrow it down to Abuja, narrow it down to Kano. With that, you'll be able to get a very deep targeted audience out from those search. Okay, you can see, so we have our 37 leads, and you can see the full address, you can see the business name, the website in case you want to visit, the emails will be here, the Facebook address, the Twitter handle if there is any, the LinkedIn, and these are our keywords, and this is the location. Alright, so let me just give this thing a stop from this place. So it's aborting, so you just wait for it to count down. The aborting process should be done. So right now, once the button is done, you can just click on OK. Then you can go on the contact here. So from this contact, you can see these the results we just searched. And the school in California, we have three leads. So you can just select these and you can click on search and it's going to show everything here. So the beauty of this software is that it automatically saves in the tab base. Like it saves automatically in the database of this software in case for example if your software just closed down or your system went off, you can actually get your results back from those places. So to save this, you just click on select all. So you can actually remove duplicates from this place. So if there is any duplicate, so you can actually remove them. Pick your duplicate type you want to remove and click on remove. Yes, okay. Then there is no duplicates on this. Okay, one duplicate phone and that's removed. Good. So now we can select these you can add filter if you want to filter out you can see if you want to filter the business names. So then we click on export. So we export this in our Excel format on our PC. So just to have a record of it, you can see it will be saved directly as CSV. You can now say school sorry, in California. Then save. So those the results. So let's try one more process, one more extraction. We'll call this a day. And don't forget to like this video and share. And if you're interested in getting this software, kindly click on the description below and reach us on our WhatsApp line. You can check on your screen at the left corner side. You can see our phone number there, or you visit our website. All right. So the next thing now is okay. Let's clear this. Um, we have a new keyword, but we are searching for bulk this time around. So we close this and go for bulk. Then on the bulk, to now be, you can see the example. The example will be school. Okay, we've used school before. Let's say teacher. Then semicolon, no space in London. You can say lecturers. Okay, or let's say lecturers London, and we add this result. Let's leave it this way. Okay, so now we just go on search and let's see the result. You can see this lecturer in London, teachers in London, and select the keywords and click the buttons that, and you can see to search to impending. So once it's done with the first one, it will say it will be left with one impend. You can see the result which is coming up right now. So guys, this is how you can extract phone numbers, emails, websites, Facebook details out from Google using the business lead extractor. And don't forget to like this video again. And if you're interested in getting this software which allows you to extract contact information from Google, valid and validated data from Google, you can just check on the description below this video now and reach us on a WhatsApp line or on our Telegram, on our mail. So thanks for watching this video once again, and see you next time.